to place your adverbials at the beginning of a sentence. Yes, we know. This indicates a stronger emphasis on the action than when the adverbials is in its normal position. अगैन अगर आपने अपने किसी एक्शन के बारे में कोई एम्फोसिस शो करना है, सो इन दैट केस आप अपने एडवर्बियल्स को अपनी नॉर्मल मिडल सेंटेंस पोजीशन से उठाएं एंड यू कैन ब्रिंग इट टू द इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस एंड इट विल शो मोर एम्फोसिस एंड मोर स्ट्रेस ऑन वट एवर यू आर बीइंग अबाउट टू से. सो इन दैट केस यू कैन मेक इट. सो हम स्टडी करेंगे हम इसको इस तरीके से मनूवरिंग करें किस तरीके से. If the adverbial appears at the beginning of a sentence, the grammar of the sentence is somewhat different. Now, in case अगर आप adverbials को middle sentence में से उठाकर उसकी position को start में कर रहे हैं, तो it's not just कि आपने इससे stress दे देंगे and that will be enough. You have to be watchful about कि आपके उसकी grammar conditions को भी तमाम meet करें. So हम इसकी grammar को dissect करते हैं. Now, for example, John hardly remembers the accident that took his sister's life. Here we know the hardly is your adverb and it's at the very normal position of the sentence, in the normal middle sentence position. Now to emphasize, you can do like hardly does John remember the accident that took his sister's life. Now bringing the adverbial at the beginning of the sentence, you are giving more stress to whatever you were saying at the beginning and was not more stressful. So give more emphasis on what you're saying. You can bring your adverbial at the beginning of the sentence, but it's not just enough. You have to be watchful about your whole grammar. In that case, agar aapne hardly, rarely, seldom, never, only, and if you write such things in the beginning of the sentence, adverbials to give emphasis on your speech or your work or the words to be precise, so it has to be followed by the auxiliary, which again is going to meet the rest of the sentence. It should agree with the rest of the sentence grammar. Here we inserted does, this followed by the subject and the verb and the rest of the sentence construction. So again अगर आप इस sentence में भी देखिए, हमने hardly को जब अपने sentence के begin में start में place किया है, तो it followed by the auxiliary which agree with the rest of the sentence tense, and then comes your subject, then comes your verb, remember, and then the rest of the sentence construction. So again just pause your video here and make a note कि जब आपने अपने adverbials को sentence के start में लिखना है, तो they should be followed by the auxiliaries, then the subject and the verb should come afterwards. Here are a few examples to understand the whole idea. Never have so many people been unemployed as today.